Everyone says that the YouTube algorithm is against small YouTubers, but the truth is that the YouTube algorithm is not against small YouTubers. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to win the YouTube algorithm, how to understand and win the YouTube algorithm. And let me promise you, by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand the YouTube algorithm and get your videos recommended, even if you're a small YouTuber. What I'm sharing in this video is tips, practical tips, real tips, not hacks. So I'll be taking them step by step. If I were you, I would watch this video till the very end so that you can understand every step. So let's dive. So let me break down step one for you. You have to understand what the YouTube algorithm wants. The YouTube algorithm does not care how long you've been creating videos. The YouTube algorithm does not care if you have 100 videos, 200 videos. It does not care. What it cares about is how people interact with your video, how people engage with your videos. It cares about your audience retention, it cares about your click-through rate, and it cares about your engagement. These three things are the most important things that the YouTube algorithm cares about. So if people click your videos and they spend time watch it, like they watch it till the very end, then the YouTube algorithm will push your videos out to more people. That is what you need to understand about the YouTube algorithm. I'm just going to give you guys tips on how to boost your click-through rate, your CTR. Number one is make sure that your thumbnail tells a story. Make sure that you show emotions on your thumbnail, maybe happy, sad, scared, anger, or something like that. Show it in your thumbnails. The next is make sure that you use curiosity-driven titles. Your title will determine if somebody will click on your videos. So if your title is not like curiosity driven, they will not click on your videos. So make sure that you use good titles for your videos. And the next is to make sure that you study your top performing thumbnails. Go to your YouTube studio and check. You're going to see those videos that got a high click-through rate. Check out the thumbnail design, like what made people to click on this video. Check it out, and when you're able to get it, try to implement it in your next thumbnail design. Try to make your thumbnails to be like, very, very nice, so that people, when they see it, they will click it immediately and watch your videos. To understand that YouTube algorithm promotes videos that viewers finished watching, like videos that people watch from the beginning to the end. That is your audience retention. So if you want me to give you tips on how to boost your audience retention, I want you to go down to the comment section and write I will beat the YouTube algorithm, or I will win the YouTube algorithm. Just go there and write it if you're serious, and I'll know that you're serious, and I'll reply your comments. Trust me. So if you want to boost, or if you want to improve your audience retention, what you're going to do is you have to hook your viewers in the first 10 seconds. That is how fast people lose attention. So when they click on your videos, make sure that you hook them in the first 10 seconds. For example, maybe if your video title is about how I got 1,000 subscribers, your video should start with are you tired of being under 100 subscribers or 200 subscribers? Watch this video till the end and I'll show you exactly how I got my 1,000 subscribers. You have to like start with the problem that the viewer relates to. Start with the problem, and again, you have to use captions. It's actually optional. Use captions in the first few seconds of the video. And this one you can, the next is make sure that you change the camera angle. This one is optional if you want. Change the camera angle. Then make sure that you give viewers what they came for before they click off. Don't use clickbait titles. Don't even do that, because if you do that, your videos will perform really, really bad. Yes, they will click your videos, and when they discover that you're saying something else, or that video content does not match your title and your thumbnail, they will click off immediately, and some might even report your video as clickbait. So don't use clickbait. Again, I'm advising you against that. Don't use clickbait. Then the next thing that you have to do is to drive engagement naturally. Instead of asking them to subscribe to your YouTube channel and like your videos, maybe when you're done with your video and you know that you've given out value, you can ask them to like subscribe if the video was valuable, or if they enjoyed the video. You can ask them to now subscribe and comment, or you can just ask them a question and they will go to the comment section and answer. So when they are like engaging, commenting, subscribing and liking your videos, the YouTube algorithm will notice this and it will promote your videos. It will push your video out so that others will see your videos. And again, you have to make sure that you reply your comments on time. Make sure that you reply early. Try to reply all your comments early. It will help boost your videos. Then another thing that you need to know is that the new YouTube algorithm uses personalized data more than ever. So this means that the YouTube algorithm is constantly testing your content with different audiences. It's showing your videos to different audiences and testing, and like it's trying to discover your particular audience. So And they only do this based on your consistency and your video performance, or like your overall performance, how often you upload, like how hardworking are you, in short. So you have to be consistent if you want to make it on YouTube. You can post once in a week, or one video weekly, or two videos weekly. Just be consistent. Don't post every day. If you post every day, you're destroying your YouTube channel. Post maybe twice in a week, or three times in a week, or once a week. Just be consistent. That is it. And make sure you check your average view duration, check your returning viewers. Always check your analytics. When you check all these things, you'll be able to refine your next content. You'll be able to create better content for your next upload. So do all these things if you want to win the YouTube algorithm. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about YouTube growth tips for beginners, YouTube strategy, YouTube growth strategy, how to make it on YouTube. So if you're interested in YouTube growth, you want your channel to grow, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure you like this video. Please subscribe and like, and make sure you share this video. So the final tip I'm going to be giving you is the real secret. The YouTube algorithm does not hate small channels. The YouTube algorithm is like a mirror that reflects what viewers want. So instead of chasing the YouTube algorithm, instead of trying to hack the YouTube algorithm, I want you to start chasing like how to make viewers to watch your videos, how to like get viewers to watch your videos from the beginning to the end. If you can able to create videos that people will click, watch, and engage on, that means you've actually won the game. You've actually won the YouTube algorithm. That is the truth. So try to focus on that, how to make your videos better. Once you start creating better thumbnails, once you start creating better videos, and once people start engaging and commenting, start sharing your videos, everything will be okay for you. You've won the YouTube algorithm. So try to do it. That's the honest truth. Everything I've said in this video is 100% practical and 100% true. So just try to do all these things, and when you know it, before you know it, your videos will just blow up. So if this video was really, really helpful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you like this video. And again, if you want to understand the YouTube algorithm extensively, I would advise you to watch this video card shown on your screen. That video card, just click on it and watch it. It's going to help you, especially if you're a small YouTuber. I'll see you guys on the next one.